Pandas? Panda. Sorry, some technical difficulties. I added extra steps to start these streams. Pandas. What is going on right now? What is going on right now? Right about now. Yeah, sorry. Sometimes. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties. What can I say? YouTube added an extra step to start streaming. You have to like press another button. I don't know what was happening, and I pressed the button on my OBS, and it threw it, and it turned it on, and then I saw the same button on the YouTube section, and then I clicked, go live there, and it turned it off when I pressed that. So, Pandas, I don't know what happened. What's important is that you drop those GMs in the chat. Drop those GMs in the chat. Pandas! We're live back at it again. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. It's like yesterday didn't even happen. Big push up. You're thinking filling the gap here. You're absolutely thinking you're going to fill the gap here. But, ooh. Listen to my pause. Market just open. Let's let it cook a little bit. Mainly because I'm traumatized. I've seen setups like this that fail, so we're just going to sit under pause. We're just going to sit on our little pause here. Pause. Rebate the high. Looks like we're going to fill the gap. But again, I've been traumatized in these situations. I do not like being in these situations. I don't like to get stuck on a trade right here because I didn't wait for 2 bars. I'm going to wait, sit on my pause, see what happens. Okay. Daily chart maybe setting up for a second to short. Weekly chart bouncing off the bottom of a trading range. Daily chart same thing. Trading range on the daily chart as well. Sit on pause. Don't mind. Just waiting for some motion here. Looks like gap will fill. It looks like it, but will it? Been traumatized too many times before. I've been in this situation too many times before. Where I'm just like, this is like for sure a gap fill. And then it just rips your face off and doesn't make. That's a solid 40-point move too. Solid 40-point move. You already made like a 25-point scalp. These candles are quite large actually right now. Drop those GMs in the chat. Sorry, Paz. I'm not sure what happened before. Something weird happened. The stream went live for like a few seconds. I gotta get rid of it. It sure dilly do looks like it's going to fill here. It sure dilly do looks like it's gonna fill here. I mean, should I just do it? Should I just do the orb trade? I did like a small analysis on the last like 15 days of orb trading, and every single one has been successful. Every single one. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. BPCF, good morning. Slow Pokey, welcome. The slop okie. What we got here? What we got here? 2 bull bars now. Just buy. Question more about the orb is not just do we get do we get a breakout of the opening range? The more important thing is the context. Are we in a place to buy? Yeah, you could say this is trading range, right? Super choppy, up, big down, and strong bull bar coming off the bottom of this trading range with 2 bull bars. Sure, you can consider this a nice setup to go long. Am I gonna go long? Still thinking about morning reversals. I like a decent bar to go long, and I probably will only scalp it. I probably wouldn't look for more than a scalp here. Plus, you got a 20 EMA blocking you here. Always a possibility for morning reversal. Don't forget it. The question is, how much are you willing to risk on an orb trade as well? How much are you willing to risk on an orb? I've seen these reverse like very hard. Two bull bars in a row. Coming off the 20 EMA. Could be a big reversal here. I don't know, pandas. I mean, let's see if I can get 25 points. I'm risking a lot to get 25 points. This is why orb trade is difficult, because you got to risk a lot. Are we risking too much here? Coming off the 20 EMA. The question is it a good place to buy? Not a bad place to buy, actually. Decent place at bottom of the trading range. 2 strong bull bars coming off of it. Immaculate bull bars coming off of it. But we're kind of hitting our heads of resistance. Gap fill plus the 20 EMA. 2 points of resistance here. It's going to be tough to hold, in my opinion. I mean, if we get a bear bar here, that'd be tough to hold. Could be a morning reversal. Always 50-50 chance for morning reversal. Pretty high probability, actually, for a reversal. Because usually reversals are big moves. Like, you're looking for more than a 1-to-1. Are we going to get it? Are we going to get a dinky little scalp here? Little itty bitty scalp here. Only reason why I consider this is because we're coming off a bottom of trading range. Why I would consider go long here. With 2 strong bull bars in a row. It could turn to always in long. It could try to hit the top of the trading range. Or it can test my will to the limits. See, I don't like these mechanical trades. But it is I mean, forget about the orb, right? It's just a reversal at the bottom of the trading range is what got me interested. Albert, good morning. Luis, good morning. Luis, welcome everybody. Drop those GMs in the chat. Drop those GMs in the chat. Sorry, I had like a stream that lasted like 30 seconds. I was trying to figure out what was going on. And YouTube added more buttons, made it a little more complicated to actually start the stream. I get why they do it, because if you disconnect, it gives you a chance to be able to reconnect to it. But, yeah, it just threw me off. We'll be okay tomorrow. Now look at this. Now look at this drawdown that I have to hold. And it's very, very big right now. Coming off 2 areas of resistance. The gap fill plus the 20 EMA. With a strong bear bar here, I may just abandon this trade. I don't know. I don't know if it's worth holding like all the way down here. And I don't want it to have a big breakdown. Also thinking of holding it for 2 bear bars, but the second bear bar could be large if it's a morning reversal. You know, I checked the last like 15 orbs. Like here's an orb, right? We get a break of this low and a close beyond the low. Right, basically orb is opening range breakout. So you look at the opening bar or whatever time frame you're using. I'm using 5-minute, and you see if there's the close and the first close outside of the range, you go that direction. So look at this range here. The first close is this bar. You just go short. You make a nice scalp. This is more than this is like a 100-point move. So now I'm taking a lot of pain on this orb. And it's just only 1 bar into it. And I don't think I can hold it. I think I'm going to get out. Orb works here, right? So you get a breakout of the opening range, but it doesn't close beyond it. Here, we do close beyond it, and then you get a bear trend. Same thing here. Close beneath it. You do get a deep pullback, but ultimately a bear leg, a really strong bear leg. Here as well, 2, right? Bear bar here. Doesn't matter. It's an opening range. You break the range, you close outside of it, and then you get a nice scalp. You get a 75-point scalp. It works here as well, right? That becomes a bull trend. Works here as well just for a scalp. Works here as well for a scalp. Works here, right? You get the first break. You just sell here. You get a nice 80-point move, more than that. You get a nice 90-point move. So as you saw, the last like couple I just looked at, they all worked out. This is the first one that hasn't worked out in the last like 20. And so it is just, but really the only reason why I decided to take it is because we're at the bottom of trading range. So I was thinking possibly we can have a nice move to the upside. And that was the only reason I really wanted to take it, because of the context. So we had the orb with context, and it doesn't work out. Like I said, always 50-50 for a morning reversal. You get 2 strong bull bars, doesn't matter. Big reversal. We did have 2 points of resistance here, so I could have considered. Look at how big these bear bars are as well. Doesn't really give me a chance to get out of my trade with like a small loss. I have to get out with a big loss, which is unfortunate. Right, we got still 4 minutes into this candle. Probably get stopped out here. This is why the orb trade, I don't like it, because the risk reward is very bad. Right? I mean, you put your stop loss here. The risk reward is very bad. I mean, if we get another bear bar here, I'm going to just skunk it. I'm going to take the hit and basically assume it's a morning reversal. If this is a bear bar. It's the first orb that's failed in the last... Actually, I don't have that many days here. How many days do I have? Only 15 days. 15 days gives me 3 weeks worth of data. 3 weeks worth of data. Yeah. 3 weeks worth of data. In the last 3 weeks, every orb has worked except this one right here. And this has good context, so I mean, can you blame me for trying? We're taking a big hit here. I'm going to get out of 2 bear bars. I may reverse it. I may just sell. And it may give me a double whammy. It might give me a double whammy. But I'm thinking the bears or the bulls who did what I did are trapped now. And this is the unfortunate thing, right? Like, I wanted 2 bear bars, but the 2 bear bars are huge. So I'm taking a big hit now, because of how big these 2 bear bars are. It retraces the entire move. Look, I can't even... this is my preventative stop, my ultimate stop, and it's going to get hit with 2 bear bars. Golly. Right, the first orb has failed in the last 3 weeks. Comes with an okay context as well. I try. You can't blame me for trying. I mean, I'm pretty sure this is a reversal. Morning reversal. Like, I've been worried about morning reversal for the last 3 weeks. So I never went into a strong trend in the beginning of the day. And this is the first time I tried it. And the first time I tried it, it failed. I'm telling you, I have impeccable timing. I'm actually the master at finding the last time something happens. Like, I'm at the master of it. I really am. Can have 40 bull bars in a row, and I'll enter. Anytime I enter, it'll just be like the reversal. Not even like a pullback. It'll be the reversal. Luis, up 8K on TPT today. Payout. Let's go. Wow, 8K. Let's go. Let's get it. Sherman, good morning. 8K is a nice payday. I mean, you can do a lot with 8K. You can do a lot with 8K. I mean, I might as well just take the hit here. I'm going to take the hit. It's 40 more seconds, and it's going to print another bear bar. I'm just going to take the hit. Like, I don't want this, like, just rush to the downside. Like, I'm fine with taking the hit here. It's fine. We are A-okay here, unfortunately. It's a doo-doo setup. Orb. The one time I try the orb. 20 more seconds. It's going to be a big bull bar. I may just go short here. I don't know. Maybe I will go short here. I'll try. Look for a big bear trend now. Two bear bars in a row. Big up, big down. There's a big move. Go short for a scalp. Give me a scalp here. Give me a scalperoo. Come on, give me a scalp. And let it cook a little bit. Let it cook. Let it cook. Let it cook. Let it cook. Oh boy. Motion says, yo, I'm new to futures, so excuse my stupidity, but why is my MNQ chart the opposite of yours if you're trading NQ? I'm trading MNQ, actually. I'm actually trading MNQ, so if it's opposite of my chart, it's really weird because I'm actually on the MNQ. Reversal off the previous day's low, previous week's low. We get reversal here. We get a small breakdown, small breakout of it. We don't even make a scalp here. Yeah, we don't even make a scalp. Let it cook though, pandas. Let it cook. Him cook. I'm waiting for the big push. I'm waiting for the big push. I'm waiting for the big push. Still waiting for the big push. A lot of limit orders here trying to push this up. A lot of limit orders trying to push it up. I'm going to scale in. If we close beneath, I mean, we're probably going to close beneath it. Try to scale in here one time. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. In for scaling.
Target filled.
I'll take it. I'll take it. Probably could have got more from that. But when you have a breakout like this, usually it retests the breakout area. Like I said, morning reversal. You always got to be ready for the morning reversal, and that's what happened. Even with the orb, you know, this is the first orb that's failed in the last 3 weeks, and I decided to enter it. It is what it is. They're gonna fail. You're not gonna win every single one. The reason why I don't like the orbs is because it's I don't know, the risk reward is pretty terrible. But I took pretty much the max risk I was willing to take. I ended up just going short here, looking for the morning reversal. I probably could have got more from here, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna come back and give me another opportunity to go short. I'm pretty sure it will. I'm pretty certain it will. Rarely does this go straight down, but it could. Of course it could. Could just be bear bars all the way from here, always in short. I could be missing like one of the greatest opportunities of a lifetime here. Another thing is the weekly chart now is has an inside bar, and we broke the inside bar of the weekly chart. This is the reason why I was short here. Okay, this was the weekly low. I went short the weekly low, knowing on the weekly chart we had an inside bar. But rarely can the market move without having a retracement first. It usually needs a retracement to take out all the scalp, the bulls who are scalping with limit orders here, take those people out. Once you remove them, right, they're when they close their orders, the bulls close orders, guess what? More shorts come in. So, bulls will come in long here thinking they can come with the this is a support. They'll just buy here at the support. And they'll buy more further down, hoping for the ability to scale in and come out, break even on their first trade, and make money on their second. Another bear bar. I don't know if I'd sell. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another bear bar. May have the strong push down. If we close beneath this low, it can always has a chance to really push here. So whatever I lost on this orb, I came up, basically break even. We're break even for the day. Yeah, if you're looking at TradingView, that is the worst place to look. I would highly recommend just buy eval, the cheapest eval you can possibly find, probably on Apex, and just get the free data that comes with it, and then you can see real life data. You need it. You need to have real life data. You need to get as close as possible to the real thing when you practice. Okay, another bear bar ending maybe near its low. I'm gonna just sell again. I may just take the 1 minute chart, trade the 1 minute chart, and just take every first entry to go short. It gives you opportunities where the bigger time frames don't give you opportunities to go short. You can look for small pullbacks on the smaller time frames and try to get in. Right now, first entries are working wonders. Just go short here. I could. Let's just go short. Let's see what happens. There's no reason for us to be scared to go long, right? Whoa. We don't scalp out immediately. I probably get hit the other way though. Right? We missed a scalp by 1 point. I don't know how deep of a retracement I want here. These bars are huge. We missed our scalp by a tick, really. So we're trapped now. The scalpers are trapped. But look at these bear bars. I mean, nothing in here is scaring me to go long or looking for reversal. So I'm thinking the same thing for the bears who are with me. They're thinking the same. There's nothing there to scare them to exit. So they're going to keep going short here. Look at the 15-minute candle. 15-minute candle has a massive bear bar ending near its low. We can come to retest this area though before pushing down again. If I'm thinking always in short now, only problem is, right, your stop loss is way up here. All right, I'm not going to hold the stop loss, obviously. If I see signs of, bullishness, I'll probably get out, but we'll see. This is preventative stop. Just say I lose connection or some crazy news happens, like a nuclear bomb drops, or I don't know, something happens that makes the stock go up. The NAS go up, then it is what it is. I have something to protect me from it. It's gonna hurt a lot, but it won't kill me. Okay, got 2 bear bars now. People taking profits here, I guess. If it has a V bottom here, it is what it is. Like, look at the 15-minute chart. You're thinking a little bit of fall through after this bear bar. But again, anything can happen. Really, anything can happen. This could just be the bottom of the day. This could be the low of the day, and we can just get a full-blown reversal here. It seems unlikely, but looks like people selling near the top of the previous bar. I don't know if I'm that brave. I would want to come at least back to the breakout point. This breakout point could be retested. If I want to scale in, I want to scale in on a bear bar. Got 2 strong closes beneath the previous days and previous week's low. Let's see if we can get some nice follow through. Could just be a small swing trade, 2 legs down, which is fine. There's plenty of bamboo. We're only in 1 lot here. It's fine. I'm just marking where $600 would be. This is my daily loss limit here. If it comes back up this high. Rarely do we just break down and not retest the breakout areas. We gotta get rid of the bull scalpers in order for to really push down. The bull scalpers need to go away, and we can see the bull scalpers turn to bull swing traders. And if that happens, then we're in trouble, big trouble. Look at this 15-minute bar. It's getting folded right now. Absolutely no follow through on this 15-minute bar. It is what it is. Just hold. The reason why I'm not trying to go short here is because I see clear areas where we can retrace back to the bottom of the first bar, right? Is where we first broke out. Definitely back to the previous days and previous weeks low. Definitely area. We haven't even tested that yet. So we're still chilling here. We haven't come back to any retracement areas yet. Strong bull bar ending near its high. With always in long, right, buy the close behavior currently. Usually a bad sign for a bear. Where the bulls feel so confident they just go long here. It means bulls are strong. Bulls are confident. They're confident enough just to buy this bull bar, even on this downtrend. I want to retest at least the previous day's low before we're thinking about going short. Or adding on to my position here. And you're absolutely wrong when you break this high. No denying it. Your premise is absolutely wrong. But I'm going to treat this like always in short for now. How many PAs I'm trading? I'm trading 20. You can see top left of your screen. Okay, it's the first entry of the 20 MA on the 1 minute chart. Like, I was considering going short somewhere up here, but the problem is that we haven't even touched any retracements. Right, the main retracement areas, which is previous day's low, also the opening bar low. These are major retracement areas. Right? Basically breakout retest areas. That's what I want to get my. That's when I want to go short. If we can't get to these areas when we push down again, that's big trouble for the bears or for the bulls. Because there are bulls who went long here, there are bulls who went long here, and they cannot get out break even. So sooner or later, they're going to feel some pain. They're going to feel some real pain if this pushes down again before we can retrace to those areas. Right? Albrook's called these gaps, measuring gaps. Basically, you're looking for a measure move from here to here. Right? This is a measure move now. Bear bar here. I'm going to go short again. Unfortunately, it's the problem is going short here again doesn't really improve my. It doesn't really improve my average, right? My average entry. It doesn't really improve that much for me. It's not much better than my first entry here. Creating a second entry short on the 1 minute chart. I'm actually interested in this. The 1 minute chart creating a second entry short here. I'll jump in. Let's have some fun. $20 more seconds. 17 more seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Let's party. Let's have a little funzos here. Can we get a quick scalp? Can I get a new low? Possibly. Can I get a new low, please? One minute, second to short here. Lower high, second to short. Comes with trend line. Like this. It's not looking too pretty. I like the setup regardless if it works. Looking for a new low here. I should be looking for at least a 1-to-1. Actually, 1-to-1. A new low is fine. Looks like I'm gonna get hit here. Like I said, it didn't look too pretty when it started to develop. Couldn't really break this low here, which is a problem. Do I need a bigger stop loss? It's fine. I'll just take the hit here. It's supposed to be a quick scalp, and if we can't get a quick scalp, then we'll just take the hit, move on. Plus, clear areas of retracements here. Again, we might get to these areas. So I don't want to extend my stop loss now. I'd rather just take the hit. And then maybe come in with a scale in at these areas, the breakout retest areas. Or at least wait for them to be tested, then come in short again if I like the short still. That's not good sign for the bulls. If we can break this low, it's a very bad sign for the bulls. If we break this low, it's a very bad sign for the bulls, I'll tell you that much. If we break this low, it's a very bad sign for the bulls. If we break this low. They failed to reverse it. I'm in it to win it now. I'm in it to win it. And if this fails, then, you know, it is what it is. What can you do about it, right? What can you do about it? That's a really bad sign for the bulls. If it reversed there without even coming back up here, very bad sign for the bulls. We hold. 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 Looking for the new low if we possibly can get it. Strong bear bar ending near its low. You gotta hold to see what happens here. Even if it retraces back, you gotta hold this. This strong bear bar ending near its low. You gotta hold through it. Unfortunately, it can reverse and take you out. But when you see this bear bar ending on its low, you gotta hold through it, pandas. You unfortunately have to hold through it. You gotta just suffer the pullbacks here. You gotta suffer through the pullbacks. It's fine. Hold. Unfortunately, probably taking me out now. But when you see a bear bar ending on its low like this, like you gotta let it cook, in my opinion. Because you're thinking any pullback will be small, right? Even if it does pull back, what you have working for you now is they had to retrace this entire move. There might be bear limit orders waiting here now. Because the bear saw this bear move, and they probably want to at least create a trading range as best as they can. I could ultimately get stopped out here on this trade, but it's fine. I like the move. I like the premise here. I like the follow through. I don't like this follow through, but because of my situation, I think I'm gonna hold this. Right? Because now you have the limit order bears coming in here. I can come out break even if I wanted to here. We'll hold it. We'll look for a new low here. No clue what's going to happen. It's a lot of overlapping bars now. Do I want to enter short again on a fourth push down? Sure, why not? Fourth push down. Let's see if we get a nice push. Multiple times the reverse has failed. Multiple times the breakout, it has failed. But I'm banking the fact that we are on a downtrend and we have more reason to go short than long at the moment. What's my 5-minute look like? Okay, we had a break of a bear bar ending on its low. It's a good sign for me. It's a first entry on the 5-minute as well. Could look for a second entry short on the 5-minute. The 15-minute doesn't close bearish, which is a problem. It actually closes bullish here. It could take me out. I could take a hit here. It's all good. You can't be scared to lose money here. And my loss here is not too much. If I lose this, it is what it is. If I lose this, it is what it is. I'm fine with it. I'm already okay with my losses here. I'm okay losing here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 overlapping bars now. This bear bar ending on its low. Golly, I thought we would have some follow through, but we don't. And we lose this trade. All good. Yep. All good. We lose that trade. Unfortunate. What can you do? The 5-minute now creates a second entry short. So unfortunate. So incredibly unfortunate. It is what it is, though. So incredibly unfortunate. The 1-minute cannot make a new low, even with this bear bar ending on its low. I could have came out break even several times. Create a OIII pattern, triple OII. That's why I was waiting to go short here, thinking that if we break down, it could be a strong move to downside. It's just completely gets stalled out here, and now we're reversing back up. Unfortunate, pandas. We might take a big hit here. I'm about to hit my daily loss limit at 600. I guess what I said is coming true. We're retesting these retracement areas. I shouldn't have gone short until we retested them. And I'm paying the price for it now, unfortunately. Should have gone short once we retested these retracement areas. I just got excited when I saw this bear bar ending on its low like that. I thought there would be some semblance of follow through, but there was none. Happens a lot to me. Super strong bear bars, no follow through, and I try to go short, thinking there will be the high probability trade is to go with the super strong breakout bar. And it fails, so it is what it is. What can you do about it? Again, it's just no follow through. I can't do much about it. When I see a strong bear bar like that, I gotta see if there's some follow through. I trade accordingly. The pullback is so deep now. What can you do about it? So unfortunate here. Such a strong reversal now. Could be a reversal back up. Could easily be a reversal back up. It is what it is. The fact that we couldn't get another push down is big trouble for the bears. Exact situation I'm in right now. It is what it is, pandas. I cannot go short until I see a bear bar. Look at this big pain now, big pain. Unfortunate, big pain here. Huge bars. This bar here, this reversal bar, over 100 points. It's a huge bar. And we still have a minute left on it. What can you do? What can you do? It's just unfortunate. Looking for some follow through. Like I said, like I should have waited for the retracements to happen. Like retracement here, retracement here, another retracement on the low. This bar could be retracement to here to this close. Could be all the retracement could become retracement back to 20 EMA. And at that point, is it just a reversal, full blown reversal? Golly, it's painful. 1 minute is just breaking out. It just basically had a double bottom here and just bam, wham. Had a double bottom without, well, I guess you can say this is breakup trend here. Breakup trend, double bottom. Higher low, double bottom situation. Big bull bar. I mean, I got to get out of this trade with a bull bar like that. It's just, you know, you got to look at the price action. If it's a big bull bar like this, that should not happen. That should not happen in, if this is bearish
Target
still. I'll just
filled.
take the hit. Huge bull bar reversing. If it goes back down, it does. It goes back down. It is what it is. If it's a huge bull bar like that, I'm out. Like it's, you know, for the risk of there's follow through here and this reverses. Down 870, pandas. What can I do, man? What can I do, pandas? It is what it is. I tried. I tried to do what I thought made sense. Massive bear bar on the 15-minute chart, looking for at least some follow through. Gets reversed actually. Now we got 2 bull bars in a row. Still not done yet. 9 more minutes on this candle. It could create a second inch short. I might take a second inch short, but with this bull bar, I'm out. With the second inch short, I could try to come back in. But with this bull bar like looking like this, I cannot just hold that. It could be a full blown reversal here, especially coming out of the previous day and previous week's low. Bouncing or breaking beneath it and coming back above it with a strong bull bar like that can be a full blown reversal. I'll just take the hit. I don't mind if this goes back down, but it's just when you see a bull bar like this, you're assuming the worst. And for me, I want to prevent myself from the worst thing to happen. Yeah, my daily loss limit was hit. I mean, it was around 600, but I was in a trade, and basically I just take it out on the what makes sense on the trade. So we're hurting. It is what it is. What can you do? When you see a bear bar like this on the 15-minute chart, you're thinking it'd be some sort of follow through. It says, V bottom reversal. The 5-minute candles as well, strong bear bars, but no follow through on the strong bear bars. Right, just reverses. Instead, there's a strong bull bar. This could create a second inch short, but at this point, I don't know if I like it. At this point, this could be a full-blown reversal. Who knows? Retraces a bunch here. Big retracement. No follow-through on this bull bar, so bulls are disappointed. I don't know. I don't know what to do here. Could just be a second inch short. Simple as that. But it looks wonky to me. It will sell the close. Bears came in who sold here. Bears who sold here. Sold here as well. And they're trying to come out break even, which is right here. Right, they sold here, now they're out break even, which is maybe something I could have done. I didn't want to come out. I didn't want to go short on a strong bull bar like that, though, especially that strong. But that's exactly what they did. They just sold. The strong bears who sold here, they sold here, and now they're out break even on their trade. I don't know, Pan. It's incredible. So disappointing to see. Plus, my daily loss limit was hit, so it's not much I can do. I got really eager on the 1-minute chart, seeing these second inch shorts. Second inch short here, and the reversal failing. It made me really excited to go short. It did have a strong push to the downside. Nothing to, it was 30 some points. I could have just taken a scalp there, but I wanted a new low. I wanted a new low here. That's all I wanted on that move. We didn't get it, and it had a big reversal before it can give me what I wanted. 1 minute chart continues to hurt me. Every single big loss I've had has been from the 1 minute chart. It's unfortunate. Every big loss I've had. Huge bull bar, not a huge bear bar. What am I supposed to do here? I don't know. What are you supposed to do? Go short. If I go short here, it's a huge risk. Plus, yeah, it's just a big risk. I mean, it looks, and then plus it could be a trading range starting to develop here of some sort. It's not a good looking second entry short actually, but I don't know. I mean, it doesn't even come off the resistance. Strong bear bar may just have to go short, but it's a big up, big down now at this point. Could turn to trading range. Oh boy, the risk is monumental. It is a 100-point risk to take this trade. What in the world? These candles are 100 points large. One single 5-minute candle. It was 145 points. I took the whole entire risk of 145 points. How crazy is that? I took that entire risk. Pandas, I don't know if I can do this. I don't know. This is tough. I don't know. My risk is too large here. Second just short, let's see. Whatever. So let's take it. Whatever. If I get hit here, I'm definitely just ending it. Golly. If I get hit here, I'm ending it absolutely 1,000%. Looking for new low. If I can't get new low, then this trade's not even close to being worth it. If I don't know, if this ends on a bear bar, let's try to scale in and see if we get something nice. So I'm sort of still looking for the measure move here. From here to here. Still looking for this measure move. If we don't get here, I'm done. Like this is absolutely chopped. Brutal. I took 100-point, and like now that I try to re-enter, look how far down I have to re-enter. I lost like, oh, it's not even that good of a trade, to be honest. Whatever, I'll just take the hit. My last trade. Regardless what happens. Last trade. Second short. Oh, man, it's so painful. Trading is. Pullbacks are so incredibly deep. 145-point pullback. What is that? I took the whole pain on that. I took it from here to here. 150 points. This is absolutely disgusting. Strong bulls may come in here. Strong bulls may think of this area as another reason why I'm going short here is because it's closing beneath this support here. So if this is a strong support, it should not be closing beneath here after trying to break out, reverse off of it. It's basically a failed reverse at this point. A bear bar here, I'll go short. 2 bear bars in a row, I'll go short. I think bear minimum though has to close beneath this low. If it's a bear bar but it doesn't close beneath this low, I don't want any part of it. I really don't want any part of it. It has to at least close beneath this low here. Bare minimum. For me to scale in here. Or scale up. So annoying, pandas. So frustrating. Actually, not that frustrating. It is what it is. I mean, just knowing it has to happen that way. It happened. Move on. Took the max hit. Saw a huge bull bar. Abandoned my, took the hit. And I think that's the right thing to do. If you see a massive bull bar like that when you're in short, just get out because you're preventing a bigger loss, right? You're preventing like a huge. I took a hit, sure, and I could have made it back if I held it, but you can't think about what could have happened positively. You have to think about what happened negatively. That's more important. That's way more important. Bear bar ending near its low. I'll go short again. Scale up to this. Looking for the measure move of this breakout here. Now we came back to retest this breakout area, and now we're showing signs of bearishness. Right, two bear bars coming off of the breakout retest, and I think that's a sign for me to see if we can go lower. Again, the bare minimum I need is to close beneath this low, right? This if we can't close beneath it, even if it's a bear bar, it has to close beneath this low. That will get me interested. If it doesn't close beneath it, then it could reverse here. If we can't even close beneath this low, it's an issue for me. It's actually struggling to do it. How can we do it? This might be a Walmart trade. Might just have to hold this for a while. Might be one of those trades you have to hold for a while. Looking for a first entry on the 15-minute candle. Looking for follow through on the super massive bear bar. See, we've got two bull bars, but they don't close above the previous candle's highs. This could trigger something nice for me to really push down. People looking for a measure move of this bear bar here, and it's way down here. So, like I'm pretty sure we can hit this if people are looking for this target down here. Let's see if we get the strong push down now. Decently strong push. We gotta break beneath this, right? We gotta close beneath this trend line here. We get the first entry on the 15-minute chart. Looking for follow through on his massive bear bar. But had a huge pullback. But big wick now, which is a good sign. For short. I do want to go short again, but we're kind of like in here right now. So if I look to the left of the charts, we're not beyond this. We're not even testing this pivot low yet. We haven't even tested this pivot low yet, actually. Still got 2 minutes on this candle, but we haven't even broken this pivot low yet, which is a big problem if we can't break beneath this pivot low. Right, because now we're making higher highs and higher lows, actually. If we break this pivot low, we're no longer making higher highs and higher lows. Testing it. Broke through it. All right, I think we're fine. I think we're good. I think the green light's here. Decent push down. Maybe scale in again if there's a strong bear bar. I could come out break even here. I take my risk off after I see this big push down. If we can close beneath this, that is right. The deal is sealed if we close beneath this. The deal is sealed if we close beneath this line. Still got 1 minute on this candle though. I have no signs of reversal here yet. I'm going to short again. If I see a strong bear bar here, I'm going short. I would love to see it close beneath this line. If I can close beneath this line, I'm going short. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah, we failed to close beneath it, so I'm not going to scale in. Could be a big reversal here. That means limit orders. There are enough limit orders here to prevent this from closing beneath. At least the bull scalpers may come in, have a nice little scalp here like they're having right now. Already made 25 points. Quick scalp. Right, made 50, almost 50 points here. Quick scalp here. I may have to just hold my original risk to hit my target here, which is fine. I'll hold it. Let's see. What's the worst that can happen? I lose a couple hundo. What's the worst that can happen, right, Pandas? What's the worst that can happen? Bull scalpers. It might be all they get there. It might be all they get. The bull scalpers. Bulls saw that as a victory. The fact that we couldn't close beneath this pivot low, they saw that as a victory, and they said, let's just buy here. And they are able to scalp out, at least. Don't mind the background noise, Pandas. That's life, you know. Bulls see this maybe as a possible trading range starting to develop here. Bulls and bears, right? Because bears probably just came out with profits here. Possible trading range. And they'll sell more up here. May have to switch gears here. May have to switch gears here a little bit. Trading Beans says that's a true richness. Absolutely. It does not compare. This is extra. All right, man. Well, you know what? I'm sorry. I'm not gonna lie. I'll be right back, Pandas. All right, Pandas, what did I miss? What did I miss? What did I miss, Pandas? Oh boy, this is not good. This is not good, is it? We're gonna get. It is turning to a trading range, isn't it? Absolutely turning to a trading range right now. Is this the final push? 1, 2, 3. Reversal back up. Was this a precursor here of things to come? This bull bar. Yep. We're gonna hit big pain here now. Big pain here. It's all good, Pandas. We'll take the hit. I do not mind. I do not mind. Let's see. This is turning to a trading range. We made a new low. We just made a new low. And now we're reversing back up strongly. Strong bull bar. 2 strong bull bars. I'm definitely out here, though. Got 1 minute on this candle. That's pretty painful. Pretty painful stuff here. It's all good. We'll take the hit. We'll move on with our lives. It is what it is, though, Pandas. Give me some reason to stay in this trade. Give me some reason to stay in this trade. You gotta give me some reason to stay in this trade. Right? You have to give me some reason. It can't be a strong bull bar. Can't be always in long. Can't have a bull bar ending on its high with great follow through. You can't. You have to give me some reason to stay in this trade. Give me some reason to stay in this trade. I don't think it's happening though. Can't have a bull bar ending on its high with great follow through. Expect me to stay in this trade. Got 45 seconds left. Absolutely no reason to stay in this trade now, is it? Is there? Trading range? Possibly, but not 2 bull bars in a row. I think I'm out. I think I'm skunking this. Lower highs, lower lows.
Target filled.
I'm going to take out one of my lots because it's too heavy. It's too heavy. I'm going to take one of my lots out. We'll just take the hit on one of my lots. It's just too much risk, right? Too much risk. If this does come all the way up here, I don't want to come out while 4 contracts and get hit my maximum stop loss. If I see another reason to go short, I'll go short, but otherwise, I'm not going to stick around and take the full pain with 4 contracts. I'm going to take some risk off here. Golly, Pandas. You know, you would think after a bear bar like this on the 15-minute chart, we would get like some nice follow through, but it's the opposite. We get 0 follow through. In fact, we get multiple bull bars as this has a pullback. Pandas, I don't know. I don't know what to do. I lost my chance to come out break even per usual. Yep. I should do a study. You know, long-term EV, is it better just to break out even? I could have I saw this. If this bear bar here, you're thinking you're gonna hit this target, but you fail to break out again on this inside bar. In fact, every inside bar has worked out for the bulls, right? This inside bar has worked out for the bulls. You get a 1-to-1. This inside bar has worked out for the bulls. Get a 1-to-1. So you have several inside bars that have worked out for the bulls on a downtrend. Incredible. What can you do about it? Yeah, I got 2 bull bars. It could be a full blown reversal here. It can come all the way back up. This could be the low of day. This could honestly be low of day. I wouldn't even be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised. If this is low of day. I wouldn't be surprised. It's far enough along in the day where we could have created a low of day today. And this could reverse all the way back up. It can just be a bull trend day today. Who knows? Bouncing out the 20 EMA. Maybe have some reason to go short here, but the bulls look strong. Bulls look stronger than the bears here, right? In my opinion. Yeah, up 500. Now I'm down like 1K on these accounts. Unfortunate. Down 1K. And I think today is gonna be. I think today's chopped, right? After seeing this, like I don't know if there's any much reason to trade today. It's pretty. It's chopped. The market is chopped right now. It's very difficult to trade this. Full blown reversal here, possibly. The bears or bulls are looking for a double bottom, looking for a breakout like this. Come back up and make a new high of day. $20 EMA acting as resistance. Also the previous day's low acting as resistance. I need some reason to go short here. Like, this is not enough reason for me to go short. There's nothing here to go short for me. 3 bull bars in a row. Like, what is so bearish about this? Golly. Three bull bars in a row. This doji also closes beneath the previous day's low as well. Still acting as double resistance here, right? You got the 20 EMA now and also the previous day's close or previous day's low acting as resistance now. We technically haven't touched the 20 EMA. We touched it here already, so we don't need to test it again, but we technically didn't touch it here. Like, am I thinking this is a trading range or am I thinking this is a reversal? This could actually be a reversal here. When I think of trading range, I think of things being way more choppy. This actually has some pretty good movements throughout this leg. Right, if it's trading range, then I should be going short up here somewhere. 3 minutes on this bar. Touches the 20 EMA finally. Bulls are strong. Bulls are waiting down here for a bunch of limit orders waiting here, even with these multiple bear bars in a row. Like when you see this, you imagine this being bearish. You imagine this being bearish and looking for another strong push to the downside. But the bulls are so strong, they came with so many limit orders here. They said, I do not care. I simply do not care. And they bought this up like crazy. For a nice swing trade at least. All right, let's see if I can make some bamboo here. If you get another close beneath the previous day's low, this is a bear bar, I'll probably go short. Thinking trading range, hoping trading range, and we come back down. And this will be the last attempt to go short here. There's a bull bar closing above the previous day's low. I'm no longer interested in that short. In fact, I'll probably just get out of my trade. Just take the hit, move on with my life. Take a big L today. It is what it is. Rest of the second trade, yep, that's what this trade was. I actually made a new low. Should have been my first target, but I was getting kind of greedy, looking for the one-to-one on this breakdown move. We don't quite get there, and I don't think we're gonna get there. This looks like a double bottom of some sort now. Bull bar ending on here, it's high. Yeah, I don't think I'm going short here. The question is to scale in or not to scale in. I think the answer is clear. I'll just take the hit here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 bull bars in a row. This is could be a full blown reversal here, back to making new highs. Sure, why not? Super strong bull bar on a 15-minute candle. Doesn't mean much because when you get a bear bar like this with no follow through, this bull bar, who knows? Probably no follow through either. All right, I'm going to give it a chance. I'm going to give it one chance to reverse off the top of this. I'm going to give it one chance. I'm going to give it one chance to create like some sort of wick here or something. If we close above it, then I'm probably just going to close my trade. Give me a wick or something. Some sign that bears want to go short here with limit orders. Give me some sign of it. Give me a wick. Give me something. Oh, it's a full-blown reversal. Morning reversal on bar 15. Go long at bar 16 and you make some good bamboo. You make a one-to-one. It's a big pain here. Give me a wick of something. Bulls feel fully confident. Bears are all out. Bears are all out. Here at the break of this bear bar here is crazy. It is what it is though. I mean, if we get a bull bar like this, I'm just going to end my trade. It's like it's clearly going to go up higher. It's a darn shame. Yeah, the 1 minute is just rocketing up. The 1 minute has no signs of reversing here, no signs of weakness. Very strong on the 1 minute chart. It's always so strong when you're not in the trade, right? Let's take the hit. Max pain here. Let's take it. I mean, a lower low and a higher high. Wondering if we're going to close above here. Wondering if we're creating a trading range here of some sort. But this bull bar always in long type trading just doesn't seem very, I don't know, we'll see. I am curious. Alright, I think we're dead here. Is there any reason to even hold it to here? If we close above it, I'm done. Meteoric move.
Target filled.
All right, pain. Pandas, big pain. They call me a panda. That's what my name is. Oh, gosh. Can never... You know, it's like... I looked at the last 3 weeks of trading and saw every orb work out. I tried the orb for the first time. Like, really, I normally take this trade. I just tried at the bottom of the trading range. That fails. I take the whole pain on that, pretty much. Big pain on that. And I do make some bamboo going short here. Basically, I'm break even at this point. And then I'm like, all right, let's see a massive bear bar on a 15-minute chart. Let's see if we can get some follow through. Absolute follow. Take the full pain on that. And then the reverse is actually right when I get stopped out. You know, that's all right. Let's go short again. We go short again, looking for the measure move of this breakout. And we don't get it. We miss it by a long shot. It literally gets halted after bear bars like this. That is crazy to me that this reverses. Yeah, it doesn't even break the previous candle's low here on this inside bar. And it reverses like this in double bottom. You know, Panda's like, it's tough. It's tough. Like, because some days you'll see trades, you'll see markets like this, and you'll wonder, why didn't I just keep going short? Why didn't I just go short, 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 short? And I would have made like, you know, $5,000. And they all kind of look the same. They all look like this. And, you know, you get mad at, you know, traders not jumping in, or get mad at yourself not jumping in. Why didn't I jump in earlier? And then you get this, right? Lower low, higher low. You get this, you know, expanding pattern here, which makes all things difficult here. Tough for me. Very tough for me. I mean, $1,500 loss. We're still green on our accounts. It sucks. It's a big setback, but tricky day. You know, it's very tricky when you have like strong moves and then they just reverse on a dime. Happened multiple times, right? Big bull bar reverse on a dime, and that's where I took my stop. Like, all right, you know, I'm not gonna risk it here. And again, I'm not gonna risk it here if this keeps going up with 2 bull bars. Here, I don't know. Crazy. The 15-minute literally had like 0 follow through. It's crazy. I don't know. 15-minute, I mean, I gotta look back. Does a 15-minute typically don't have follow through? Big bear bar, pullback, big bear bar. No, like this has a lot of follow through. These have a lot of follow through, the bear bars. Big bear bar, no follow through here. Actually reverses after this big bear bar. So big bear bars typically they tend to pull back deeply. Big bear bar here has follow through, but it has a deep pullback. Big bear bar follow through, and small bear bars. Big bear bar, a little bit of follow through right off the bat. Big bear bar follow through with a little pullback. Big bear bar follow through. I don't know. It's, I mean, it's just this big bear bar has virtually no follow through. It gets reversed completely. That's why I get out of the trade when I see that. Close above this pivot high. I'm pretty certain it's going to make a new high of day, creating a huge reversal. Big wick on the daily chart, right? It's going to create a big wick on the daily chart. It's going to be a bull bar. I'm trying to think, like, what could I have done better? I think what killed me was the 1 minute. I really thought we were going to make a new low here. When I saw this price action. So I held it. I hold my trades. I like to hold my trades until I lose them. Win them or lose them. That hurts me today. I thought we were going to make a new low here. That really crushed me. I saw this big bear bar. And the bull bar, it's alright. Well, create another bear bar. It's like, okay, I'm going to have a chance here. Inside bar. Another inside bar. And then reverses. This ultimately set me back probably the most here. Golly. Took some shorts here. Made a new low, and that's all we get. We get a reversal off of that. Big time reversal. Darn. Look at this reversal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bull bars in a row. That's all you get out right there. Now the trading seems easy. Just go long and you make money today. Now it seems like the trading is easy today. Let's go long. I don't know. Big down, big up. Big up, big down. Double bottom, big up. Could ultimately be trading range day today. Could reverse near here. It's just tough to say. I don't know, pandas. Really contemplating. How could I have done better? I really felt like I was holding the correct trades. Was short here looking for that 1-to-1 measure move. Made sense to me here as well. I think it was good. I took my risk off here, some of my risk off here, and then took the rest of my risk off here. I think that made sense what I did. Otherwise, I'd be in a lot more pain than I am right now. Jeez. Bull bars any other high, always in long. I thought you said max loss 600. Yeah, I don't know. Obviously, I didn't respect it. I didn't respect it at all. I thought we were still in a good market cycle for me to trade, but apparently not. Jeez. We'd only make a 1-to-1 on this trade. Just darn shame. Trading seems easy now. I just go long. The hard part about reversals like this is when do you feel like it's a reversal rather than turn to trading range? When do you jump in? I guess people jumped in here with the always in long. People jumped in here with the always in long. Tough. Now the trading seems easy. Just go long. You make money today. That's crazy. This gets me a lot. I'm not gonna lie. When I see a bear bar that looks like this, I'm like, all right, it looks like it wants some follow through. It looks like it wants a little bit of follow through. And it goes, bam, bam, just rips your face off. Ultimate does make a new low, incredibly. Never seen this. Big bull bar will have follow through. Who knows? It could be like this big bear bar, no follow through whatsoever. It's very strong move up though. Looking for a new high. This is why I got out right here. Thinking this might happen. This is why I also got out right here, thinking this might happen right here in this spot. But more chance it happens here because now we got double bottom. People looking for a measure move like this. I'm really trying to think what could I have done differently. One thing's for sure, I could have just stopped at minus 600. Minus 600 and really stopped, and I'll prevent myself from taking taking more than double my, taking more than double my loss. 2.5 what I really wanted to lose today. I think one thing's for sure though. I think I'm gonna be done for today. I think this market cycle is gonna be too confusing for me. Already proven to be too confusing. So now when it looks clear, it's not gonna be clear anymore. Right? This looked very clear to me what's gonna happen. This now looks very clear to me what's gonna happen, and when it looks like it's about to become clear, is when it does the most tricky things. The only people who made money today are those who took the 1-to-1 off of the 2 bear bars here. The orb fails, that's the way to start it. Then the come out break even right here. Then the 1 minute chart trading. Any bear bar, try to go short. Bear bar here, go short. Bear bar go here, go short. Yeah, I mean, if I just like, I don't know. Okay. It is what it is. Tomorrow's a new day, and if we can lose 1,500, guess what? We can gain 1,500. I've done it before, pandas. I've done it before. It's my MO. It usually takes a big hit for me to get a big win. It's unfortunate, but that's how it is. Golly. The trading has been going real smooth as of late as well. Real smooth. It was looking real good. Just time, day after day after day. Making good gains. Multiple bottoms. Yeah, I mean, when you see this, though, when you see this, like, you're thinking it's going to have another push down. Especially with this strong push down, you're looking for some attempt for a measure move. But it doesn't happen. You know, at a certain point, you're right. Like, here is where I should get out, which is where I got, this is the reason why I got out of one of my positions. You can see I got out here. And I got the rest out here. I just took the hit on here after I saw this. So, you know, it's not only multiple bottoms, but you need some sign that reversing. The 2 bull bars here was a sign, was the first sign, And the full sign was here to break out here, and then now you're making a measure move from this breakout point, from the bottom here to this breakout point. So I mean, you're right, but you do also need signs of bullishness, which is why I got here when I saw the sign of bullishness. Full port short, no, thank you. That's not how. That's not how. Could be a double top here now. Golly. Keeping looking at charts is gonna make me want to trade more. I'm gonna find some reason to go. I'm gonna find some reason to enter a trade, and it's gonna burn me. So I think I gotta close the charts. Pandas, you know what? Let's just reset. Tomorrow's a new day, and it's a big hit. But honestly, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I mean, we got plenty of threshold to work with. What do we have? We have what? $5,700 of threshold left. So we're doing just fine. This is a typical pullback in this. It does all happen in one day, but could have been across 4 or 5 days, and maybe this is the pullback we have. But tomorrow we will see better days. Let me see news. News tomorrow. FOMC meeting minutes tomorrow. Thursday, unemployment claims, and Friday, the big one at 8:30, core PCE. It's all good. You gotta take these days. You gotta take these hits on the chin. And what defines you as a trader is, right? You don't kill yourself. You get knocked down. You retreat, recoup, and come back. It's not about how. It's not about every single day you trying to come out green and, eventually you blow your accounts. It's about taking these big hits, realizing, have some self-awareness and realizing today's not the day for you. Today's not the day. It's not working out. It's not doing what you wanted to do. And so it's not fitting my current trading style. I don't know, for me, it's like confusing. It's like, is this a trading range or is now a bull trend? Like, what's happening here? It's just confusing. So, the fact that I'm just so confused, still, I don't know. It is what it is. All right, Dennis. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Oh, careful with Apex new MA rule. It's not a new MA rule, but it's the same rule, but they made different repercussions, which is really weird. I actually emailed Apex about them because I was very confused. Like, why are you making it more difficult now? Because if you break the MA rule, basically the MA rule is negative 30% consistency rule. If you have one single trade that you lose more than 30% of your account balance at the open, then you violated negative 30% consistency rule, which they measure with MAE, and if you do break it, all you have to do is trade 8 more days. After that happens, they'll give you notice that you broke it and you have to trade 8 more days. But the caveat is this: you have to get the way you can get payout is if you get max payouts. Like, it's kind of weird. I mean, that doesn't really bother me because I'm looking for max payouts anyways. But still, it's like, it's weird. It's just weird. It's gonna hinder a lot of people. I just feel like it's very nonsensical. So I asked them, like, what is the thought behind this? Like, what was the reason you want this to happen? Like, I don't know. I don't understand the reason why, other than you want people to blunder. But yeah, other than that, Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. We'll take this on the chin today, and tomorrow I think we'll see better days ahead. The light will shine bright tomorrow. Even if I take another hit like this, another 1,500, guess what, Pandas? I mean, we still have how much? We still have $5,000 of threshold still. I mean, it's no problem. We can work with that. So it is what it is. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. As always, have a drink of this. Bye.